Let's say you encounter this common problem of viewport clipping when you import something and it's very large, and at some point you zoom in, but this happens. In Maya, you adjust this by going to your camera, whichever is active, in my case perspective, so I click on my camera and change the numbers here in clip plane, so I adjust the viewport clippings by adjusting this number. In Max, you set it up here. If you go to perspective and choose viewport clipping, you set it by dragging this little slider here. Or there's a new feature called 2D pan zoom mode, and you can use that. In Blender, in the N panel, under this arrow, you set it by going to camera, view, here, and changing this number of clip start or clip end.